Some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk. But none of y'all ain't really got shit, some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you, yeah, yeah.
We're going to the farm.
Only want your love if it's solid. But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it. You can smile but none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. When I'm down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30. Chat. Should they fold that bitch, no yoga mat? Chat. Should they dare that nigga, don't hit me back? Chat. Should I ran that nigga, no questions asked? Chat. Chat. They chatting, they chat. When the sun go down, they think maybe it's a love. Haven't said they know right now, they just they know. Nobody sudden up, no wanna hold me. Hype me up, you give me hype. You my favorite coach, compress the line. Fucking stress off, that's my only vice. I take it off when you tell me if I'm feeling fine. I run it up, risk it all like I'm rolling dice. Taking it all, it's my second life. That's me, passed out in the backseat. Cash out on the backseat beach. Oh, you know my body. Oh, you know that's me.
Scalable.
Bitch, you ain't making me. All I want to love is solid. Some of y'all go get washed. Some of y'all just go pop shit. Some of y'all just go talk. But none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I give you this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you. Only want your love if it's solid. But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it. You can smile but none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. When I'm down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30. That's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it. You can smile but none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. When I'm down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30.
The wind is kind of outrageous out here, but we are leaving the farm. It was a successful trip. Got me some pizza instead of the taquito.
They had the work. They did work. They were working on the cones and stuff everywhere. They had the exits and stuff blocked out. Cause I couldn't even get out. Come all the way up to the.
Okay, so yeah, we've been back home from the farm. I tried to put my son down for a nap, but he was not going. But I'm about to go to CVS and pick up this print. See this, but T-Mobile had a free 8x10 print, so I decided to get it. I ordered it like a couple of nights ago. Yesterday I went to pick it up, but when I went to CVS they were closed, so now I'm about to see if I can pick it up today. And then I'm gonna go and get dinner. Okay, I'm back. We got the photo print right here. And we're gonna open it up and see what it looks like together. Hold on. Okay. Let's staple. Okay. Okay. This is what it looked like. It's my son looking up at the sky. I thought this picture is so cute. It's a little blurry, but It's free. And the reason I'm saying it's blurry, because I don't think it's my camera or the picture itself. Because I think I got this in his photo album that I got at home in like a 4x10, and it's not blurry. At least I think I have it, but we'll see when I get home. But it's good enough for me. It's free. Number 21 with no guacamole.
21?
21 with no guacamole.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that'd be all.
Okay. Come to me.
Okay. Got the asada fries. Thank you, you too. Okay, let's see. Oh, they filled it up to the top too. Okay, got my sauces.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is humble like don't be in the humble. Tell me is you down? Cause I'm trying to.
You saw a cow?
No.
See a sheep? Bad. Bad. I saw a horse. This Mr. Horsey. Okay, so yeah, I gotta use my phone for lighting in her. But yeah, we just got washed up. I just got him in the tub and out, and we are technically ready for bed. We are a bit ahead of schedule because today has been so long. I'm not complaining, but I'm happy. I gotta keep an eye on him. He's always trying to do something when I'm not paying 100% attention to him. Hold on. But anyway, there's not much left for today. We're gonna try to chill out until I put him down to sleep. Hopefully he'll sleep good and all night, since he haven't had a nap today. But yeah, oh yeah, speaking of that print that I got from CVS earlier, it made me bring out my baby book of my son. I wanted to show you guys. I got this album for Christmas. It's nearly halfway filled up. I think this will probably be from year 0 to 2, and then I'll probably get another one. So it starts off as his ultrasound pictures and his footprints. Then we got hospital pictures. This one got like his name and stuff on there. Some hospital pics. That's to keep them in order. Some are out of order, especially the new print that I just got. But just gonna let y'all see a little bit.
Oh my hood, I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. I'm so deep in my bag, like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, well, she smell good. That's just cause I'm heaven sent.
And this is where it ends. But yeah, this is where the vlog ends. I just wanted to get on her, you know, vlog a little bit. It's been a while. Hope to see you guys in another video soon. I know I say that all the time, soon, and then it'll be months, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try my best to make it soon. And yeah, peace. Bye. Papa, you wanna say bye-bye? Bye-bye.